Happy birthday, Ekta Kapoor. God bless you, and you've been inspiring all of us in so many ways. Thank you so much, and God bless you, and may you achieve more and more success in your life. We all love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Ekta Kapoor. I hope you have an amazing day ahead. You have changed a million lives out there. There's so much to learn from you, and you're one of the strongest people I've ever met. Happy birthday once again, and lots of love to you.
So, I'm so excited with this cake that Kay sent me. Kay, thank you. I'm going to cut it with my family and we're going to miss you. But thank you so much. Happy birthday to me.
Hi Ekta ma'am, wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. I know we are all locked down, but I still hope you have a wonderful year ahead and an absolutely delightful day. And I'm looking forward for everything to normalize again. Once again, a very, very happy birthday.
Hi Ekta ma'am, happy birthday. Wishing the best for you always and forever. I've always grown up watching your shows and now finally I've got the chance to be a part of one of your shows. I couldn't have been happier and happy birthday. Can't wait to see you. Happy birthday.
All I want to tell you today is that you've been a mentor to your mother. You've been perfection personified in every aspect of your life. And today, I wish you only happiness in life. Wish you very, very, very happy birthday and love you lots.
Hi Tamam, here's wishing you many, many happiness of the day. Well, it's your birthday and unfortunately it's quarantine period. But I hope that you're spending good quality time with your family and have a good one. God bless you and thank you for everything and I wish you all the happiness and all the success.
Alright, so you know you were my inspiration even before I became a star, and I've told you about it many times. You know, it's your birthday and I want to tell you a very special and sweet thing which I've discovered about you. You know, behind the brand, the most special, and I pray that one day when I reach where you are, if at all I reach, I would want to be just like you. A girl full of gratitude, kind, helpful, and so much. Actually, the status, the glamour, the star you are this mischievous girl I met who's just like any of us, who loves to speak about her actions, yet stressed about her challenges, and still confident to share all that with all of us. You're so friendly, you are so mischievous, you're just like any other girl, just like me, you know. I connect to you so much, and that's so special about you. And just be the way you are, yeah. You're so mischievous. On that note, happy birthday. You know I love you. God bless.
Many happy returns of the day. Lots and lots of love, hope, success, and everlasting happiness in your life. May you rise and shine like you have been always doing, and keep up doing the great work. I must say that you are truly an angel in a lot of people's life. Love you and have a great year.
Happy birthday to you. Ding. Happy birthday to you. Don't. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ekta. God bless you. Wishing you and your family, and especially the little one, lots and lots of good health. Have a super year ahead.
Happy birthday, Ekta ma'am. Here's wishing lots and lots of love and happiness to the most amazing person that you are. Please don't change. क्योंकि ऐसे बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जो सूरत और सीरत दोनों से सुंदर होते हैं. May all the wonderful things in the world come your way. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ekta ma'am. You are an amazing person and I wish you a really, really very, very happy birthday. I wish and I hope and I pray that you get everything you deserve, everything you want and everything you need. Happy birthday.
Hi Ekta ma'am, wishing you a wonderful, wonderful birthday, a kick-ass year, and thank you so much for being you, for being such a strong woman, for all of us, setting a great example. We all love you and we are so thankful to you. Happy birthday.
दिल पे दीवानगी छा गई इस कदर, बंद आँखों से भी मुझको आए नजर. Happy birthday, Ekta ma'am. May you have a blessed, fantastic year ahead. We love you and all the best for this year.
Alright, so this message is for one of my favorite people, my favorite producer, Ekta Kapoor. Many, many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with lots and lots of success, good health, wealth, and may you keep entertaining people like you have done for so many years. And all the best. May you have a great year ahead. More and more power to you. Lots of love and best wishes.
हैप्पी बर्थडे एकता, अल्लाह आपकी उम्र दराज करे, आमीन, और ऐसे ही नेक तरक्की और कामयाबी दे आपको. मॉम विशेस यू टू, लव यू, टेक केयर.
Happy birthday, Ekta ma'am. You've given us some path-breaking shows. You have proved time and again कि इंडस्ट्री जो है वो सिर्फ 3 चीजों से ही चलती है: एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट. So thank you for inspiring us, motivating us. More power to you, more love to you, more luck to you.